friends, today I am discuss about most important question for B.Ed exam. If you do B.Ed anywhere like Bihar, Haryana, UP, MP and any another state, then it is most important for exam point of view, so you can prepare it without wasting of time. Question is, what are the various factors which affect curriculum? कौन कौन से फैक्टर्स हैं जो कि करिकुलम को अफेक्ट कर सकते हैं, प्रभावित कर सकते हैं? तो आंसर इज फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग करिकुलम. फर्स्ट, गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज एंड रूल्स. जो सरकार की पॉलिसी होती है और रूल्स होते हैं, यह अफेक्ट डाल सकते हैं करिकुलम पे. पॉलिसीज, प्रैक्टिसेस एंड रिसोर्सेस ऑफ द government, states, district, school and teachers all play a role in influencing the development of curriculum and instructional programs, their implementation and thus what is actually taught to particular student. Some state policies directly address the intended curriculum and the resources needed to enact it, as well as other facets of the education system that affect curriculum, such as regulation governing remedial or special education programs. State policies addressing student access to classroom, laboratories and information technologies can also influence what is taught. Social change. These changes include religion, culture and social grouping that affect curriculum. Okay? Because these characteristics influence the types of topics and methods for teaching information. Developing relevant curriculum takes into account society expectations, accommodating group tradition and promoting equality. Society has its own expectations about the aims and objectives that should be considered when designing the curriculum. It also has a perception of what the product of the school system should look like. It is therefore necessary for curriculum designers to take into account this social consideration. For example, subjects which has gender, education and political economy have proved difficult to include in the curriculum because of the resistance from some religious group. Psychological behavior. Many students with a master's or PhD degree in developmental psychology work in educational setting as school psychologist, which makes sense when considering the emphasis placed on the formative years. For example, the developmental psychology curriculum examines the change in personality, cognitive ability and behavior throughout the lifespan. Therefore, in addition to preparing themselves for a rewarding career, students enrolled in the developmental psychology curricula will also learn and understand more about themselves as they. Next point is study the scientific conclusion made by experts in the field. Next condition is economic conditions. These conditions also influence curriculum development. Curriculum developed for in-houses, training in corporations focus on educating employee for promotion that bring better return in profit. Nations financing education expect an economic return from educated students, contributing to the country economic with global competition abilities in technical field. For example, nations financing education expect an economic return from educated student, contributing to the country economy with global competition abilities in technical field. Next point is technological change. Technology driven curriculum development is the norm of the 21st century. The computer technology of the 21st century influences curriculum development at every level of learning. Next point, learning centers and classroom increasingly provide computers as requisite interaction for studies among students. Use of technological multimedia influences educational goals and learning experiences among students. For example, an undergraduate and graduate degree in computer technology gaining in popularity day by day. Next point is environmental influences. Environmental influences. Environment issues affect curriculum development. World awareness and action toward reversing and ending pollution continues affecting curriculum development. Typical elementary classroom teach recycling and healthy environmental practices. For example, higher education in science offers environmentally focused degrees such as environmental degree, biotechnology degree, etc. So thank you friends, hope you will learn something new. इस वीडियो में इतना ही. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब.